Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and welcome again where fit is the new it. Hello, and welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, today is my weekly weigh-in. I am so excited and pumped up. I do not know where to begin. So let's just get right into it. For those of you who do not know, I am on a healthy weight loss journey. Not necessarily focused on the numbers on the scale, but all my other numbers. But as I always say, if the scale moves, hey, that's the extra cherry on top, right? And the scale moved. It moved. So, short story, coming off of vacation last week, I gained 1.9 pounds. So today, my weight loss total was 3.5. And for the whole month, I've lost 8.2. So this is my first month starting. This is week 4 of my weigh-ins. And again, I could not be more stoked. Okay? So let's talk about how the week went. What things went well, what things did not, really quick, okay? So first of all, I feel much better. 8 pounds gone. I'm able to move a little bit better. My knees don't hurt as much. I'm just like loosey-goosey. And I feel overall very well. I went out to lunch with someone this week, a friend, and I wore some pants that were actually looser on me. So that's another benefit of losing weight. I was like, I think these feel a little bit looser. And they did. Now I see why. The numbers don't lie, right? So needless to say, I was so excited about that. I got back on track with my food choices. So I'm back on my smoothies versus eating pancakes and bacon and potatoes every day when I was on vacation last week. So not that those things are bad, but I didn't need to eat that every single day. And if it was in front of me, I was eating it. I'm still working on that. If you didn't catch my video about being an emotional eater, check it out, because part of emotions is if I see it, it's free, why not, right? But I'm still working on that one, so be patient. The next thing I did last week for myself was I tried a different fruit. I tried the dragon fruit. If you didn't see that video, go back and check it out. The dragon fruit was okay. Not a big fan of the seeds in it, and I don't know if I had an allergy to it or not, because I've been sneezing. I think I was really doing it before I tested that fruit, so I really can't say it was a dragon fruit. But I do have a lot of allergies. Shellfish, citrus, stuff like that is not good for me. So sometimes I still have it. I always have Benadryl on me. Probably need an EpiPen at this point in my life because my allergies be out of control. Something else I did this week, guys. I tried cauliflower potatoes. Now I'm going to do a whole video on that coming up. But just a short version. I ate the cauliflower potatoes and I ate spinach, which are both very gassy vegetables. So unfortunately, eating something healthy also led to me not feeling well. I had so much gas and so bloated. We talk really frank here, so this might be a bit much, but I just felt terrible. I felt so gassy. I had to take some Gas X. I'm pushing my stomach, trying to get the gas out, just like a baby, and it was just a lot. So sometimes I'm like, I'm darned if I do, darned if I don't. Try to eat healthy and I still end up hurting. I eat bad stuff and I hurt. So sometimes I don't know what to do. But my mom would always say, just eat what you can eat. So the cauliflowers and the spinach combination together, and it wasn't mixed actually. I was calling myself replacing my potatoes with the cauliflower. So I think that was just a little bit too much fiber or whatever, but my stomach did not like it and I was doubled over in pain. Is there anything healthy that you try to eat that makes you sick? I'm just curious. Am I the only one to have all these allergies? Do you have any allergies out there? If so, what are some of your allergies? I'm just curious. So I also had shellfish. I think I mentioned that. So getting back to some more wins I had. So my exercising, I started doing that again, which I never really stopped. the exercising piece, but I was walking a whole lot more when I was on vacation last week because I felt much safer where I was. In my neighborhood, there's a lot of dogs, so I don't just open the door and walk out. I'm kind of looking around here, looking around there, you know, so I don't walk as freely as I would like to. I love walking, but I'm terrified of dogs, so I have to really, you know, pace myself. So when I was on vacation, like I said, where I was, I felt very comfortable. I didn't feel scary. People did have a lot of dogs actually, but they were all on leashes. So here where I live at, sometimes they don't always put their dog on a leash. And, you know, so because I'm afraid sometimes I don't get out as freely as I would like. So I did go to the park yesterday. That felt good. But something else that went very well is I attended 2 WeightWatchers meetings this week. I'm doing WeightWatchers, for those of you who do not know, that's the method that I've chosen to lose weight. So I did 2 meetings this week. I usually try to do my first one at the beginning of the week, which starts on Sunday. And that went very well. I also changed my day of the week with WeightWatchers. So they had it set for like Monday as the start of a new week. But I like everything to start on Sunday. So my weigh-ins, so I'm going to continue to do that on Thursdays because that just works for me. I don't know why, but I'm going to continue to do my weigh-in on Thursday. So you'll see those videos coming out. And I always tell you the truth, good, bad, or ugly. So you can tune in. Last week I had 1.9 gain. This week again, I lost 3.5. So it is possible. Sometimes we say, well, I'm too old to lose weight, or my metabolism doesn't work. And I've said all those things. Believe me. Anything you can say to yourself, the reason why it's not happening, I've said it. So I'm like, oh, like I said, you know, my metabolism too old. My body just don't work like it used to. So, but, you know, clearly I'm making some changes and my body's reflective of that. And I actually can see it. You know, this is getting better. I'm sitting down, so it's a little puffy there, but I can see it in here. If you go back and look at my first few videos from 4 weeks ago, you can see a difference. So I can see my, you know, see here, facial going, my face is going down a little bit. So I'm excited. So a couple more wins I had this week, guys. I'm gonna let you go. My last couple wins where I ordered my weights. If you did not see that video, go and check that one out. I ordered my weight set. My little 1-pounders came in yesterday. Oh, I wanted to show you. I'll just show you when we start working out. My workout clothes came in. I ordered a few sets. We'll talk about that in another video too, but I did order a few workout sets. I ordered a yoga mat. So I'm not really thinking I'm going to do yoga, but I got it for the cushion when I start doing my steps and stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I'm going to start doing the workout videos hopefully in the next week. We'll start doing workout videos here. Not an expert, not professionally trained, but I can say I got a little something because I've been exercising off and on all my life. So I got a little knowledge I can add to the game. So I just feel better overall. I hope you hang out with me on my journey. What wins did you have for the week? Tell me about it. I'm curious. This is a community I'm trying to build here. You know, what wins did you have? Did you walk more? Did you drink more water? Did you lose weight? Did you gain weight? It's not, if you did, this is a safe space. Safe space as I share my wins. And I won't even call it a loss. I made choices that week where I gained 1.9 pounds. But now, here today, I've lost a total of 8.2 in 1 month. And I have not lost that kind of weight in, I can't even tell you the last time I lost 8 pounds. I cannot. So the structure that I so dislike, and you see my other videos, go back and watch them. I'm actually embracing it because I'm seeing the results. I'm seeing it. I'm feeling it. I feel better. So I'm excited. I'm going to get ready now and go have my smoothie. I actually did my first cooking video, which look for that soon. It's coming out. I made turkey burgers, so that's coming. I just got a lot of great things planned for the channel. So if you're not a subscriber, you probably want to be. If you're not subscribed, you probably want to be. If you need to get on a healthy journey, I'm your person because I'm living it, walking it, talking it, breathing it to the best of my ability. So we got this, guys. We do. The summer's coming and we gonna look fly. We got this. So until next time, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Bye. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel, again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you, again, will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it.